Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix the error the code execution cannot proceed because the MSVCP110.dll missing. Okay, this one when I try to open Adobe Premiere Pro 2019, let me close this one. Premiere Pro, I installed it, and when I'm trying to open, I'm getting this error. Okay, so how to fix? There are two ways to fix. I will show you first how to fix by installing Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2012 update 4. Okay, what you're going to do, I'll put these links in my blogger. You can go to my description area, click my blogger website, and you can find there the downloadable links. Okay, and download this one. Click download. When you click download, you can download with all the files. Okay, when you download all the files, you can click the first one and double click and open. Otherwise, you can select only 64-bit if you have 64-bit version of Windows. Otherwise, if you have 32-bit version of Windows, you can download it. I will show you how to find that one. Go to about your PC. This is Windows 11, that's why it's about. You can see here system type 64-bit operating system. So I have 64-bit, so I can download this one. I will show you all together, then everyone aware. Just click download. Once you get download, you will get multiple files. Okay, so I think it's done. Yes, so you got 64-bit and 32-bit and 64-bit. I'll only install 64-bit. Okay, install. That's it. You can close this one. Open Premiere Pro again. Yes, so open. So from the first option, from the first option, this problem is solved. Okay, in case even you install this Visual C++ redistributable, if it did not solve, you have to go to this website. You have to find the .dll file which is missing. So you can search here MSVCP110.dll and search it. You will get this one. Okay, what you're going to do, you have to download it. When you click download, you will have like this so many options to download. If you go down, you can see here the file version is very old one. Okay, this is 408. If you go up, you will see here file version is 611. So this is the latest. From the latest, there are two options: architecture 64, architecture 32. So if your system is 32, you download this one. If your system is 64-bit, download this one. Just click download. It will download within 3 to 1 0 seconds. So I got downloaded. I open this one. Is unzip this one. If you don't have option to unzip, you can do extract here in the Windows 11 and 10. You have the option, or else you can use WinRAR. If you don't have, let's do this extract here from the Windows. So once you did, the file got unzipped. Open the folder, and this is a file. So now what you're going to do, you will copy and paste. So where are you going to copy paste? You have to go to this PC, your C drive, go to Windows, then find system 32 here. Just scroll down somewhere here. You're gonna copy paste. You don't want to paste inside the folder. That's why you want to come down. I mean, mistakenly if you open a folder and paste there, so it will not work. So that's why you have to come here, copy and paste. Okay, so before do that one, let me show you. If you find for this file, you see here, now I'm getting this file in system 22 because I installed this one, because with it came. So I'm going to delete this file. Okay, now so I will open the Premiere Pro. I have the error again. It means the file is missing. You can see here now when I refresh, it doesn't come. I'm getting this one. Okay, similar one, but not in the system 32 folder. Okay, it is in under 32, then driver store file repository. in that location. Okay, in case if you don't get this file as well, then you have to go to this location, you have to paste there. Okay, so this is different file name, you can see here same name in the beginning, underscore win.dll. okay, so this file if missing, you have to go this directly, you can see the directory, and then you can paste there. So we will now paste the file here. So we go to our downloads, this folder, copy this one, we copied, go to system32, this is a path you can see here, and paste it here and continue. Okay, this is the file, and I will come to this search and let me give refresh. You can see here this is a file I copied. Okay, then let me open it, Premiere Pro. You can see here it's working both way, you can do it, but I recommend to do in the first way because this file may be modified by someone else, I'm not sure. This is directly from Microsoft, it's clean, I know. So these are, if you don't have any option you can use it, but try first option then go for this option in case it doesn't happen anything. Alright guys, working, thank you very much.